Stephanie is for side parts. We have created the skins on it already, so you don't have to add it later. It's already on there. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, the indentation goes behind the ears. So you're gonna take this guy and bring it behind the ears. Okay. Remember to go behind your client to make sure that the two little hearts are even, right there. Remember that these pieces here get tacked down so it's nice and flat everywhere. This gets all tacked down. And then you are ready to do a full weave. So the Stephanie is for side parting on a full weave, protecting the hairline all the way around. If you wish to protect the crown area, then order a hairline and crown protector. There you have it.